Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation question, and with that in mind, let's dive straight in. So in question 1.1.2, they've given us 3x minus 1 times x minus 4 equals 16. Right, so the first thing I want to try and do is I want to expand this out. I want to get rid of those brackets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm going to multiply those two terms, and I'm going to take that and multiply those two. All right, so let's do that quickly. So that's going to give us 3x squared minus 12x minus x plus 4 equals 16. All right. Now, what I notice is I've got the square, and that means this is going to be a quadratic equation. So what I want to do is I want to clear out this right-hand side by moving the 16 across, and that's going to give me 3x squared. I'm going to simplify these x's, which will give me minus 13x. And then plus 4 minus 16 gives me minus 12, and that equals 0. So now we've got enough information to carry on to solve x. And what's very important is they've said to us correct to 2 decimal places, which is a nice hint. It means that we're probably not going to be able to factorize this, and that means we need to use our quadratic equation. So if we have x is equal to, our quadratic equation is going to be minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Right, where do we get our a, b, and c from? This is going to be a, this is going to be b, and this is going to be c. So we're going to plug all of those things in, and when we do, we are going to be left with 13 plus minus 313 all over 6. Right, so where do the two options for x come from? Well, one of them is going to be the plus, and the other one is going to be the minus. And when we solve that, we're going to find that x is equal to either 5,12 or x is going to be equal to minus 0,78. And those are the two answers correct to 2 decimal places that the marker is looking to find. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.